As you may know, the human body has 5 traditional senses. The vision, eyes, is the capability of the eyes to focus and detect images of visible light. The audition, ears, is the sense of sound perception. The gustation, tongue, refers to the capability to detect the taste of substances such as food, certain minerals, and poisons, etc. It is often confused with the sense of flavor, which is first of all a combination of gustation and olfaction. Our gustation can distinguish 5 basic tastes: sweet, bitter, sour, salty, and umami, pleasant food taste based on the reception of glutamates. The olfaction, nose, is the other chemical sense. Unlike taste, there are hundreds of olfactory receptors, more than 300, each binding to a particular molecular feature. The tactician, touch, or somatosensation is the sense with the highest amount of receptors and delivers a perception resulting from the activation of neural receptors in the skin including hair follicles, but also in the tongue, throat, and mucosa, which react to pressure. Beside the 5 traditional senses, humans have also a variety of non-traditional senses as we know today. These are the sense of balance and acceleration or vestibular sense to keep our body in equilibrium. The thermoception or sense of heat. The kinesthetic sense to know the relative position of our body parts. The nociception or sense of pain, plus a variety of internal senses called interoception to sense organic activities. The chronoception or sense of time, and according to relatively proven theories we even have a sense for magnetic fields. As long as we are awake, our senses are constantly delivering a huge amount of sensorial information to our brain. The brain's task is then to filter the data stream and to select the currently relevant information. All non-relevant information is almost immediately forgotten. If we would digitally quantify the total amount of sensorial information, the total data flow we receive as input is higher than 1 billion bits per second, more than 1 gigabit per second. Our brain can only process consciously a very little amount of the input provided by our sensorial system. Digitally quantified, we can process a maximum of 100 bits per second. All the other information will be almost immediately forgotten. Therefore, focus is essential. If a training should make sense, focus on and attention to the material shown and discussed is key to memorize at least some of the trained content. Repetition is also key, as not everything will be kept from the first presentation or discussion of a topic. On the other side, our output channels provide a huge data stream. Our communication is realized mainly through voice, gestures, mimics, body position, eye contact, and relative position in the room. The total amount of data involved in our communication may exceed 10 megabits per second. Thank you for watching this video. If you don't want to miss the next one, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Oh, and by the way, if you want to work seriously through the topic, order the accompanying material. If you are a trainer, you can also order the trainer package including PowerPoint files and editable text documents. You may use the material as if it would be yours. Thank you again and see you in the next video beam.